In this video, I will teach you how to use the Elementor feature to copy and paste on another site. Hey guys, how are you? Here is Michaela from Descomplicando Sites. And before going to the tutorial, I will ask you to leave a like on the video for you to subscribe to the channel, okay? So that's it. Let's go to the tutorial now. I'm here on the Innova Nutrition website, which was a nutritionist website that I taught you to create here on the channel, and it was all done with Elementor free. And I'm also here with this portfolio site, which was a site that I taught you to create on the channel. This one I used Elementor Pro too. Okay? And I'll leave the link to this video in the card and in the description if you want to go there, check it out and learn how to create. Okay? I'm already logged in here. And here I am logged in on the plugins page to show you that the Elementor version is 3.12.2 on this site, and on this one I just updated it. It's December 2nd, 13. Because when you're going to do this copy and paste, it's good that the plugins are in the same version, because otherwise there may be a conflict and not let you paste. So you have to have the same active resources, okay? Okay, I'm going to open the home page here on the Elementor editor. I want to paste this part here on the other site. Look, I'm going to open the editor here. I'm going to enter my site here too. In the portfolio, I'm going to open his editor. I'm going to open this home page right here. I'm going to copy this from here. Look, this section here that I want. I'm going to come here and right-click on the container. I'm going to click here to copy. I'm going to come here on this site. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to right-click. And that's it. You click here to paste from another site, then this screen will appear for you. You press Ctrl+V or Command-V in the case of Mac. And then if both are updated to the same version, it will bring it here for you, you see? So it brings up to the same settings. So, for example, here in this title, I pull the default color here, primary, of the site settings. And here it did the same thing, look. It pulls the default color of the site's primary, so it pulls up to the same settings. You just have to be aware of a few things. For example, this form here, it's from Elementor Pro. It doesn't have Elementor Free. So, if I come here, click on copy and paste it on this site here that I don't have Elementor Pro, paste from another site, then the screen will appear. I'm going to press Ctrl+V, and then it gives this message, you see? Check that both sites are updated to the latest version of Elementor and have the features enabled, right? That is, it is wanting to say that as this one is a feature of Elementor Pro, this one will not be able to paste. Even if it only has this Elementor Pro form here, and the rest of the section, that is, with Elementor Free, it does not paste partially. It is not just blank. This one does not. If it has any feature, not only from Elementor Pro, but from some other plugin that is not installed on this site here, for example, it does not accept. Look, for example, this one, which is a section that has these widgets here from the plugin, if I'm not mistaken, from the Royal plugin, from the Ultimate plugin, PostKits. And I think I'm not with it installed here. I'll try to paste from another site. I'll press Ctrl+V. Look, it also gives the same error. Why? Because I'm not with this plugin here installed here on this site. But if I come here and install the plugin, I'll come here and add new. I'll come here, I'll install Ultimate PostKit, which is this one. I will install and activate. I will come here again. I will click on copy. I will come here in the editor. I will update the page, and I will test again. I will click here with the right button, paste from another site, Ctrl+V. Look, now it brought it to me right because I installed the same plugin that I'm using there, you know? So this will make our life a lot easier, right? I can't tell you for sure which update had this feature, but I saw that already in the last updates. In the last 4 or 5 versions, it's already there, okay? So it's up to you. Take a look. If you have it here, when you right-click, paste from another site, it's because yours is already active, okay? Another thing you have to pay attention to, for example, if you made a container and you want to paste it on a site that is not active, it will not work. So it has to be container to container, column to column, okay? So that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. A hug. See you next time. Bye.